Kaya, T.S. Madison. I see they went to D.C. this weekend. No, I didn't go, but my cousin live in D.C., so she was trying to get some tea about what's going on there. I saw they put up a little snippet of their performance on the stage there, but it seemed like that's what they did. They performed that Next Caller song. Next Caller, bitch. They came out there like they was doing a straight, like they was just straight. Both of them was rappers. So they did that little thing, but that was all they really showed. I ain't seen nothing else. I haven't seen no clips and nobody else talking about it. What I did notice is that Kaya, she was on a flight by herself. I noticed that because they arrived in D.C. 2 different times. I know that because when Madison was going live in her house, Kaya was already in D.C. Madison don't look like she went until yesterday. Kaya looked like she was there from Friday. So that had me disturbed a little bit. They don't have no videos of them together at no point in time on the arrival, the pre-show, the after show. There's nothing. I've been looking online for them. So that goes to show you that the chemistry is still off. And another thing is, I see Kaya says she's going live at 8 o'clock tomorrow night on her page. So she basically saying she not doing Queen's Court no more because she said that on her live. T.S. Madison still sticking with the March 19th. So they're on 2 different pages. I don't think I come back. I think it's over for that. I think we just need to find something else and move on, baby. I already have. Now I haven't found none yet as an entertainment as Kaya, because even though I don't fuck with Kaya, I'm done with her now. You know what I mean? I'm just done with the disloyal aspect of it. Because I just can't stand a disloyal person, period. Female, male, whoever it is. Loyalty is everything to me. So when people do any small act of disloyalness, it's like, to me, there is no small act. It's either you're loyal or you not. And I don't like people that's disloyal. So I just can't never fuck with her again like that. Am I gonna miss it? Sometimes, because I mean, even though I know half of the shit she's saying is really untrue, it's entertaining and I just want to laugh. I like certain little shit, like when she do the every man loves a woman. I like when she get on Candy and do that little shit. That little type of shit is funny. You know what I mean? I like that type of shit. My funniest skit from them was when they did when they called that seal, and they called Africa. That shit cracked me up. That shit had me dying. Now, it's shit like that, I'm gonna miss that shit. But again, that's together. I need them together. Maddie put a good live up yesterday, and she was just joking, roasting and gagging and shit. Some little short shit. But it showed me that she could make a funny video. I don't think I want to see Kaya by herself. I'm going to be honest with you. I know I done told y'all that. No, I don't hate Kaya. It's more so of a disappointment in her. You know what I mean? When she walked off like that with that camera rolling, like, they should have cut the camera off and then you walked off. Like, I don't like to see somebody just leave somebody like that. Like, that's just a problem for me. I see somebody said under the comments too that they hate when somebody don't see both sides of a situation. And some little smart shit up under there and just jumped about. Bitch, I seen both sides of the situation. I picked the side. I just picked Maddie's side. That don't mean I ain't see both sides of the situation. If I ain't see both sides of the situation, I'm picking Maddie's side. I picked a side. Everybody got to pick a side. And whatever you do, you got to pick a side. When some shit is going down, you got to pick a side. That's the side I picked. I've heard both sides. I picked that side. When you go to court, the judge got to hear both sides and then pick a side. I picked a side. Okay? My cousin picked another side. She on a whole other side of me. Do I love her any less? No. I don't care what side she picked. That side she picked. Do I understand why she picked that side? Yeah. I can see that. I'm not saying you're crazy to, still fuck with Kaya or to still think that Kaya is motherfucking right. I mean, if you think that that's your opinion, I ain't mad at you. I just don't think so. I just don't agree with you. Just because somebody don't agree with you don't mean that they haven't carefully thought something through. No. I thought about it. I ain't really have to take much time to think about it. When I seen her leave, that was a problem for me. That's just the type of shit I don't tolerate. I'm a very loyal person. I don't like disloyalty in no way, shape, or form. If somebody walk out, I don't like quitters. I don't like people like that. I don't like them type of people. They just ain't my fucking cup of tea. If you want to fuck with somebody like that, that's on you. I'm not doing that. That's how I chose. That's it. But keep your comments coming. I like when people comment under there. I will never listen, get smart with you and doing all that. I'm not going to do all that. I don't have time to go back and forth with a bitch that live in Wichita, Kansas, Kentucky, wherever the fuck you living in. I don't have time for that. I'm not going to do it. You ain't going to get me in my bag behind people that I have never even met. I'm not going to do that. So don't worry about that. Say how you feel. I want you to speak your mind and say how you feel. You see what I'm saying? So I welcome that. I like it. Nobody likes somebody to agree with them all the time. Even my cousin, I don't want her to agree with everything I say. That makes shit boring. It's just like being in a relationship with somebody and you can tell them what to do and you can control them and run them. Who the fuck wants that? That shit is boring. Don't you do that? No. Speak your mind, bitches. Like, say how you felt. I like that shit. I welcome that. I'm gonna talk to you in the comment section. We could do that. We can go live. Tell me about some stuff that you want to hear me talk about. You want to hear about my opinion on? Let's do that. I want to talk. I like to talk. I like to run my mouth. You know what I'm saying? There's one nice one and one not so nice one between me and my cousin. I guess you could see who's the not so nice one. But you know what it is? Listen, I'm a nice person, kid. I really am. Like, it's not about that. It's just that I hold grudges. I'm that type of person. And I don't fuck with disloyal people. And you know why I'm like that? Because I wouldn't do that to you. I would never be disloyal to you. So I need people to carry me in the same way. So if I feel like you're not that type of person, why fuck with you? Why? I don't need people in my circle that's not genuine. You know what I mean? Like, just be yourself. That's it. And herself as Kaya is a quitter. Because that bitch quit. That's just it. So I don't like her for that. No. That's it. I'm done. So like I said, like, subscribe. Let's talk about some things. See what y'all want to talk about. Let me know if y'all want to talk about this Cardi B and the being pregnant and shit. Because she is pregnant. I can promise you that. Alright, so later, like, subscribe, get at me.